If you're an artist, sell physical products, you may be missing out on sales in your shop if you're only selling stickers and prints. If you've been wanting to sell your work, but you don't have the space, money, or time to manage inventory, consider print on demand as your first step. This is such a smart way to start. It's pretty low risk. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to deal with shipping, manufacturing your own items. They take all of that out of my hands. This is a great way to start earning from your art before you even have a full product line. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just start with one design and see where it goes from there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a print-on-demand provider called Printful. With their platform, you can create and sell custom products online that completely match your branding all the way down to the tag. Also, I will be showing you me unboxing all of the products that I got from Printful to try them out and showing you what they look like so you can imagine what your art will look like on their products. Let's get into the video. I'm back in the studio and today I am unboxing a lot of things. I'm unboxing products from my shop that I'm testing out. I'm unboxing stuff that I have for my print on demand section on my website. And the first thing is this fleece lined sweatshirt. I'll wear it and try it on. Inside is so soft. And I also tried out my products on a t-shirt. This is an adorable pink color. It's so vibrant. I'm gonna try to show it up close. Lastly, I have a hat. This is a new product in my shop. And let's try it on. It's so cute. It says be kind to your mind and it's embroidered. The quality of the embroidering is so nice. I'm so pleased with this one especially. I got this package with my art on t-shirts and I'm loving. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm so excited. First thing I got says be kind to your mind oversized t-shirt. Second thing I got was this all over print crop top. It is so soft. Oh, we're going into the second box. Okay. I almost do with all this. I ordered 2 glasses. This is how they're gonna come packed. So you know that they're super secure. Like super securely packed. Okay. This is glass number 1. Look. See this? These are all my designs that I'm offering in my shop. And then I have this one. They're nice little butterflies. And it says be free. They're so nice. The colors came out so well. I'm so pleased. I feel so pleased with my purchases and how everything came out. I wanted to test the quality to make sure that it was good for you all and make sure that what I'm offering is actually worth selling. I'll have Printful linked in the description below if you want to try it out for yourself and see how your art looks on their products. This is a great way to start earning from your art before you even have a full product line. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just start with one design and see where it goes from there.